Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. It's your girl Ariana Celicia, and today we'll be getting into an easy everyday eyebrow routine, because nowadays us ladies ain't going nowhere without our eyebrows being slayed. I know that I'm not, for a fact. I don't care about the makeup, but these brows must be slayed. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Also click that bell so you can get notifications for when I do post new videos. But for now, let's get into this video. We will be using the Morphe M158 angle liner and spoolie brush, the Morphe micro brow pencil in Java, the Morphe brow cream in Java, the Morphe Brow Setting Gel and Translucent, in the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 330. Starting off on fresh, clean brows, I will be using my spoolie brush to brush my brows into place in the direction that I desire for them to go. Then, taking your angle brush and your brow cream, you want to start on that bottom of your brow and just pretty much just create an outline with the shape that you want. The thing about my eyebrows are they are pretty much thick for the most part. It's just the ends are not as full, or the hairs aren't as dark as I want them to be. So I create that arch, and then I go to the top of my brow and do the exact same thing with very light strokes. And then I make sure that that top of my brow meets up with the bottom outline that I have created. And if you see what I mean, like, since I've outlined it, pretty much all my eyebrows already filled in. It's just that end that's like, girl, bye. Where did it go? I just don't understand. So then I add a little bit more product, not a lot. We will add as we go, as it is needed. And we take that extra product from that brush and we just fill in those empty areas that we did not fill in when we were creating the outline. With the front part of your brow, make sure you are not doing it so harsh. We want light strokes, so we're not walking around looking like Helga. You feel me? Okay, sis. So just keep doing that until you get it filled in to your desire. And I'm like, okay. We're getting somewhere compared to this other one. And we're just gonna go ahead and do that to this next brow. And since our eyebrows are sisters and not twins, I do this eyebrow the opposite direction. Like, I start at the top instead of the bottom. I don't know. It's just something that I do. It's the shape of this eyebrow that makes me fill it in differently. And here's the thing about this brow. This is my least favorite brow. That other brow is my homie. Like, we be rocking. Like, she does me no wrong. This brow, since I don't get my eyebrows professionally like threaded or waxed, I've been doing it myself for the past 5 years. Anyways, they're just thick all the way around. I love thick eyebrows. I don't know what it is about it. So this one, the thickness of it is just out of control. So after filling them in with color, I take that spoolie brush and I just brush these brows out until the color kind of fades in itself, if you get what I'm saying. Like, that front of that brow just kind of looks ombre out, and everything really looks like hair. Like, it does not look fake. After filling in with the cream, I go in with the micro pencil and I fill in those areas that I still feel are like empty. Because when you brush your brows before they're set, like, sometimes the color does come off onto your spoolie brush, if you get what I'm saying. So I like to fill them in as much as possible. I need the cream, I need pencil, I need it all. So we're just going to fill that in on the sparse areas on both brows. Because, you know, we want to be fleeky, sis. And no, it does not have to be perfect. This is to the shape how you desire. So if you want yours to be a little messy, then do that, sis. It's cool. And honestly, you can stop right here if it's just a regular day you have nothing to do. But if you want them extra fleeky, continue to the next step. So now I am using my second angled brush in my Fenty concealer in the shade 330. And we're going to clean these eyebrows up just a little bit. And we're not going to use a lot of product. You want like barely just enough to be on the tip of your brush. And just outline that a little bit. And I only do the bottom. Like, you can do the top or whatever, but I'm not really a fan of that. I really just now have become a fan of concealing the bottom, because I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, sometimes it frightens me when people conceal up under their eyebrow and they have not blended it out right and done it correctly. And I'm just like, I just want to fix it so bad. But if you got the right concealer shade and you know what you're doing and you know how to blend perfect, girl, go ahead and throw this in your eyebrow routine. So I forgot to mention that you will need a blending brush or a fluffy brush to blend out this concealer. So you just want to take that brush and blend. I kind of pull some of the concealer into my eyelid, if you get what I'm saying. And look how this concealer just blends in perfectly. Rihanna knew what she was doing when she made this. Like, if you don't have this, this is my go-to. Go get you some, girl, like, for real. So for the final step to set those perfectly slayed brows in place, we will be using this translucent gel. And girl, when I tell you like that, this keeps your eyebrows in place all day. It's for real gonna keep your eyebrows in place. Your eyebrows will not be left on your man's shirt. But you see how these eyebrows are just looking so bomb, and the thickness of them. Like, I'm sorry, I can't get enough of them. Yes, just looking good. And just like that, we are finished, and these eyebrows are slayed, sis. Yes. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you everybody for joining me and watching. If you have gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, I don't even know what to say about you except for, you nosy. But no, for real, your nosy ass needs to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click the bell as well so you can get notifications whenever I do post new videos. Thanks for tuning in. Leave comments below. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.